Hello friends, today we will discuss the next topic in the linked list, that is types of linked list. Previously we have understood what is linked list, what is a node in a linked list. Okay, we also understood what are the advantage or benefits of using a linked list, right? So I quickly refresh the topics which we have discussed in the last session. That is, in case of array it is very easy to directly access an element, but it is very difficult to perform a insertion or a deletion operation. If you want to insert an element in an array, or if you want to delete an element in an array, then it requires some shifting operations. But in case of linked list, such shifting operations are not required, because if you want to insert an element into an linked list, what we have to change, we have to just reshuffle the pointers, that is a link pointers, right? Once you reshuffle the link pointers, okay, then okay, at the same time we can, you have already performed the insertion, or you can perform easily the deletion. Okay, so insertion and deletion in the linked list are comparatively easier. Okay, but it is not possible to directly access an element in case of linked list. If you want to access particular element in the linked list, what we have discussed in the last session, that is in a linked list of 5 elements, you want to or in a linked list of 3 elements, you want to access a second element. Okay, if you want to access the second element, then the strategy is you start from the start element, okay, or start node. In the linked list we are calling it as a node, start node. Okay, and then from a start node you can reach to a particular node in which you are interested. You are interested in the second element or second node, then you can go from a start node to a second node. It is possible, but there is a no direct access, because in case of array we are having a direct access. An array is having a indices, and by using that indices you can directly go to particular indices, or you can directly access the particular element. So this facility is available in array, but insertion and deletion in array is quite difficult. But in case of linked list, insertion and deletion are comparatively easier. Okay, so these parts we have discussed is in the last session. I have shared some links with you also. Okay, that is Geeks for Geeks website link. Okay, and that is very good resource. Okay, that you can use it, right? So you can go through these links also. Okay, as and when possible, you can go through these links. What you can directly do it. Okay, you can go to your Google and you can type link list Geeks for Geeks. Okay, at the same time you can get it. Okay, so these parts are very good. So all these things, okay, what we have discussed, okay, are from that particular website link. You can use it. Okay, so now we will discuss the next point, that is types of linked list, right? So in case of linked list there are three types. The first one is called as a singly linked list, next one is called as a doubly linked list, and the last one is called as a circular linked list. In this session we will see what is singly linked list. Okay, we go one by one. We will first see what is singly linked list, right?